In the film, your character is pregnant, which meant that you have to wear a fake belly for a lot of it.
Yes.
Was that hard to act with that?
You know, I actually really enjoyed it.
You did?
I did, because I found out it's a great place to put snacks.
You were hiding things in your...
Put snacks in my belly.
What? What snacks would you put in your belly?
I had Sour Patch Kids.
I love that.
Yeah, just a little snack.
Yeah, every now and then you just reach it.
They're like, what are you doing?
Just have snacks in my belly. Yeah, you gotta keep it light.